Hi there, my name is Maria and I'm a junior research group leader here at the University of Bonn. If you're excited about machine learning, robotics, and computer vision, how these techniques can help us realize sustainable solutions in agriculture, we have just the event for you. We're inviting you to join our workshop on agricultural robotics and automation, which is part of the European Conference on Mobile Robots, ECMR, held this year. The event will be completely online on August 31st, starting at 9 o'clock Central European Time, and it's also completely free. During the day, we have an exciting lineup of 7 speakers to talk to us about their research and recent developments in agricultural robotics. On August 31st, we also have 2 poster sessions where researchers can present to us what they're doing in the field. And this includes you. If you would like to showcase your work, we're inviting you to submit a 1-page PDF poster and a short 2-minute video telling us what you're working on. And then you have the opportunity to present this during our poster sessions. And during the day, there will also be plenty of interaction, allowing you to catch up with recent developments in this field and also get a feel for what others are working on in this area. So August 31st, online, full-day workshop on agricultural robotics and automation. It's free of charge and we look forward to seeing you there.